Hey, what's up guys? Fix It Felix here. Today we have this 2010 Dodge Avenger. The problems I'm having is it's not going into gear. Let me show you what I mean. Right there it shows that it's on park, and right here I can move this no problem, but it's still on park. You see, look, even though I'm moving this, it's still on park. I'm gonna show you the solution on how to do it. It's super simple, and I'm gonna show you what's the problem. So I'm gonna go here and show you. I mean, some people think to fix it you have to take this out, but it's not the case. I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna tell my friend to change the gears just so you can see what's up. Okay, so that's the thing that's broken. It's the little shifter bushing that goes right here. Let me see, a little focus. And this is what happens once you put it into gear. Okay, put it into gear. You see it's moving, but it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything because this part has to be connected like this. So the bushing that goes there, it's broken. So all you have to do is buy the bushing and just place it back. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm going to be removing this box so we can see better and fix that problem better, so we can have more space. All right, I'm gonna start by removing this part right here. So this is really simple. Just press here and pull. We're gonna loosen up this right here. Remove this. Let's put it on the side. And you can just put this somewhere where it doesn't bother you. Alright, let me show you how it looks now. So that's the bushing. As you can see, it's all cracked, broken, and it's supposed to go right here. So I'm going to be using a small flathead screwdriver to remove it. And let's see, let me take a look at this part. You see, it's broken right here. Cracked, old. And like I said, I'll be removing this part right here, this bushing, and I'll show you how it looks. There it is. These were the two pieces. I might be putting down a link down below where you can buy it just in case you need it. But yeah, that's it. I think it goes like this. I found it on AutoZone. It's this one right here, $7.99. And as you can see, it's the same one, different color, but it works. All right, I'm gonna try to put it on with one hand. So wish me luck. Let's see, so we can focus there. Hopefully it didn't drop it. I find it much easier to remove this part right here. Let me show you. You have to remove this little pin that goes up here. You can just pull it up, it's easy. And then you can just push. I already did it. It's super simple. You can push these little two things that are here, like together, and then this will go out like this. You see? You have to push these two things together. Push it there, and then this comes out. And then we can just pull this part up and we can work on it better to put the bushing inside. All right, guys, so this is what I had to do. So you know this part, right? This part goes here, inside here, right, and there's a bolt that connects to it, this. So I had to remove the bolt, and I took this part out because the stupid bushing doesn't want to go in. It's really hard. Maybe if you buy a different one, maybe it's easier for you to put it in, but it was really hard for me, so I had to take it out. And this is what I did. I put it on the table so it'll be easier. I put the bushing in, I tried to push it, it still didn't work, so I had to get a small flathead screwdriver, and I put in one side, like let's say you put in the left side, and then with the flathead screwdriver, it has to be like a small one, you push the other part in until it goes all the way in. So let me show you. It's in pretty good. Now if you want to take it out, it will be really hard to take it out. So that's it. Now I'm just going to put back this part, and then it should be as simple as just push this inside, and that'll be it. I'll show you. Okay, so it's already in. This is what I was talking about. You have to remove this little screw, and this piece will come out. Just remember the way it was. Mine was like this. It wasn't all the way in. You see there's a little gap right there. But okay, that's it. So now I'm gonna push in that back part. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Put some lights. So this goes like this. Like this, and then you gotta push there. And then you gotta put this clip like this. There. All right, moment of truth. Let me see. You should be able to just push it in. Right there is fine. Try to push it as much in as you can, and that's it. I'm gonna give it a test and see how it goes. Okay, my friend is over there. All right, put the gears. Let's see how it's doing. Perfect. Move them all the way down and all the way up. Back and forth. Park and all the way down. Perfect, guys. So there it is. That is the simple fix for this big problem. So I really hope this video helped you. Now let's see how the gears look here. Excuse me. So right there's the park. Perfect. Look, I'm moving the gears and it's going all the way down. Beautiful. So that's it. So don't forget to just put everything back. Remember how we removed this box. It's really simple. Don't forget to connect this, and to also put this hose. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more content, and thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.